Hello and welcome to my follow-up video regarding 80 column mode on the Color Computer 3. After posting it last night, Robert Gault came back and pointed out some easier ways to jump from 32 to 40 to 80 column mode and back and forth. And basically, you just do jumps to these addresses here, subroutine jumps, and it puts it in 32, 40, or 80 columns, and then returns from the subroutine. So actually, let's take a quick peek at the code. Okay. Okay, so basically this this line right here, JSR to F652, F652 puts it in 32 column mode, and JSR F65C puts it in 40 column mode, and JSR F679 puts it in 80 column mode. The one other thing Robert mentioned was to clear the H mode flag. I'm not sure 100% sure what this does, but it's just you're clearing memory location E6, which I'm doing back at the beginning of the program. Right there, clear E6. And the rest of it's just a keyboard routine so that when you press 1, 2, or 3, it switches between 32, 40, or 80 column mode and then prints the text that's down here at the bottom that you're in 32 column mode, 40 column, or 80 column mode. And if you press the number 4, it jumps here and exits, which just returns back to basic. And so let's load the program. And when you first execute it, it just hangs because it's scanning the keyboard for a key. So if I press the number 1, we're in 32 column mode. If I press the number 2, we're in 40, and 3, we're in 80, and we can jump back and forth as much as we want. And that's it. And 4 exits the program. There we go. That's it. Thanks for watching.